what's up everybody? So we're up in Crooked Lake. We think this is the camp spot we were gonna pick, but it's all logged, like they're logging here. So we're gonna end up having to find somewhere else to go. This was a nice little secluded circle before with a nice trail that came in here, and it's all logged out now, and so we're gonna go find somewhere else. Our buddy didn't come with. He was scared of a little bit of a rain. It's kind of misting right now. It's supposed to stop and maybe turn into snow tonight. So I'm hoping we can get that nice snow covered morning, and let's go find a new spot. Hey, what's up everyone? We finally made it out to our camp spot. Our first spot that we were gonna go to for the night was no longer. They're logging that area. We are still in the Crooked Lake area, so let's get set up. It's getting dark, it's getting cold, it's getting a little windy. I said we were going to go over the gear in this video. This is an Ozark Trail 7-person TP tent. It's a 2-pole setup. I have not successfully set this up by myself. I would recommend 2 people. It's got a 7'8" peak height, and it's 12 feet by 12 feet, so it's a pretty good sized tent. We're running a Mr. Buddy heater, as you saw in the last video. It's got a electrical cord jack coming through the side. That's where we're running our propane hose. She stays nice and toasty in there. And let's get you inside. We'll go over our gear that we brought with us. To start with, we have our Lost Horizons Airsoft 4.5. This is a self-inflatable camping mattress. This thing is awesome. It's super comfortable. It's going to keep you warm on these cold nights. And the stuff sack is awesome as well. As you can tell, it's pretty large. This is not going to be a backpacking mattress. This is definitely a car camping mattress. But the great thing about the stuff sack is you have this port here. You can actually use this sack to inflate the mattress if you don't want to wait for it, or if you want to increase the firmness. All right, up next is our Coastal Rail Outdoor double wide 0-degree sleeping bag. A cool feature about this is it actually can be made into 2 separate sleeping bags, but for our purpose, we like to snuggle. We keep her double wide. This thing is massive. It's super long. I'm 6'3". Julie's tiny, so she can crawl all over in this thing. But this thing it's awesome. It keeps us super warm. Coming up next, we have our Thermarest pillows from REI. We saw the graphic on these and we just had to have them. I believe they come in 3 sizes, a small, a medium, and a large. I got the large and Julie has got the medium. Now, it looks pretty compact. They fold up, and I'll show you how they unfold here. So this is the medium size. These things are super comfortable. It's got a drawstring on the back. You can actually increase the firmness of the pillow if you'd like. It kind of tightens it up, gives you a nice firm pillow. These things are sweet. And then I have the large. I'll show you that opened up as well. There's the large. Yet again, super comfy. Same thing, drawstring. I can firm it up. But I love these pillows. I love the graphic. I love the comfort. All right, guys. We're having dinner. We're starving. We haven't eaten all day. I don't think we've had anything. Maybe coffee. A little, yeah, coffee. That's about it. We are cooking up some leftover hot dogs on our Mr. Buddy, basically.
Our Mr. Big Buddy.
The Big Buddy, yeah. We just got a couple hot dogs. We'll probably make some ramen noodles here in a little bit as well. But it's gonna be good. I'm hungry. It's super cold out. It's nice and toasty in here. We're having a good time.
Just kidding. Yeah, it's like running in sand. I used to do that back in San Diego. At the beach. That's how you get some thick legs, boy. With ankle legs. I'm just kidding. I'm hyper.
All right, guys. We had some hot dogs in the tent. They were delicious, but I'm still hungry. Julie's still hungry. We're boiling some water right now. We're heating up some Hormel chili. We got some ramen noodles in the tent. We're gonna make those, and we're probably gonna make some chai tea as well. Oh, and for dessert, we have some Kodiak brand like instant muffin cups. Those are gonna be delicious. So we're out here. We have our little Coleman set up. It's got a grill and a burner. It's a pretty nice setup. I mean, it's meant for camping. It's not, it's not compact. Nothing we have is really compact. This is all car camping equipment. I'm sure in the future we might get into a little bit more of the compact stuff. I'd like to get an actual hot tent and a wood stove. So that'll all be in the future. But for right now, this setup works for us. It's pretty cold out here right now. We're kind of bundled up, but we're having fun. It's nice and warm in the tent. Can't complain. Having a blast.
I got you a beer. It's right here.
Right.
That shouldn't be.
This is our what? This is our
Ramen noodle.
little Stanley brand
Should I bring
coffee pot.
and then
We're just using it to boil water. I needed some light out here, so all I did is I just tied a little bit of paracord, tied a flashlight up here. It's working great, plenty of light. I can see what I'm doing. Our food's almost done. We're probably gonna climb back in that nice warm tent and enjoy it. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. We woke up with a nice, fresh, white snow covering everywhere. It's beautiful out here. Julie's making breakfast right now. We got some coffee going. We're gonna have some eggs, some sausage, some toast, and then we're gonna go out for a nice little walk. Just want to talk about the easy up out here while we're cooking breakfast. I left this thing up all night. We did get a lot of snow accumulation and it held up really well. There's still a lot of snow piled up right here, but I got the Jeep open. I don't want to get all that snow on all that stuff over there. But I woke up, tied all the snow off this morning. She held up great. It gives us a nice little area to cook in. And breakfast is almost done, so we're gonna get to eating. Back from our hike. It was beautiful. All the forest covered in snow. Can't beat it. We enjoyed some coffee and a Cuban cigar that I actually picked up in Dubai about 10 years ago while I was in the Navy. Julie wants some s'mores, so she got a fire going. We're gonna have some s'mores for lunch and probably just hang out at the campsite for a bit. Last night, probably around 11 o'clock, we heard some coyotes fairly close to our camp. Well, what sounded fairly close to our camp. Lots of howling and barking. On our hike, we actually found some tracks down this trail here, but it's hard to judge what they are because it did snow all night. But pretty cool. Just want to let you guys know it was an awesome night. We're gonna get cleaned up here, tear everything down, and get out of here.